friends with Chuck Yeager. In 1950, he became a test pilot for North American Aviation, test flying F-86s, and first flying the Navy FX-J2 and the T-28. He traveled the world demonstrating jet aircraft performance capabilities for our troops. Korea, the Philippines, where there were jets to fly, Bob Hoover was there. He's performed in numerous international air shows and today puts on both foreign and domestic air shows at over 35 geographic locations. He's been awarded the highest military honors, together with over 100 of the world's most prestigious aviation awards. In 1980, Bob Hoover was inducted into the Aviation Hall of Fame. Sit back now and enjoy flying excerpts of the man who is known today as a living aviation legend. The one, the only, Robert A. Bob Hoover, flying a Saberlighter business jet and a Strike Commander.